In this video, I'd like to do a quick unboxing of an ANNKE DIY kit. Now there are many different types of DIY kits, each with different combinations. There are some DIY kits that only come with 2 cameras, for example. There are some DIY kits that come with 4 dome cameras. There are some DIY kits, say for example the 16-channel DIY kit, which comes with a DVR plus 16 cameras and all the power supplies and cables required for the installation. So as an example, I'd like to just unbox this 4-channel DVR kit to show you what you're going to get in there. Any DIY kit does not come with a hard drive. Please note that that's very important. You'll have to get that separately because different clients want different storage times. But this will give you all the hardware that's required in order to do a basic DIY installation. So let's open up the box and see what we get. I'm just going to turn it on its side here and pull these 2 out. So we have our DVR itself. Like I said, there's many different types of DVRs. There's a 4-channel, an 8-channel, there's a 16-channel, so it depends on what you're really looking for. Let's open this up. Let's give you an overview of the DVR itself. It's got its power supply and its mouse here in the box, as well as the SATA cable and the power cable for the hard drive. Let's put that aside for now. Now, like I said, this DVR is the 4-channel version. So it's got 4 inputs here at the back. It's got an HDMI output for the video, as well as a VGA output. It does not have a coaxial output. It's got an audio in and an audio out for recording the sound, so you can hook up a microphone to this. It's got 2 USB ports as well as a network port, and it's got a 12-volt input. One thing that I have noticed is that a lot of clients do share the power supply for the DVR with the cameras. Please don't. Make sure that the power supply that comes with the DVR is used for the DVR. I'll show you the power supply for the cameras in just a little bit. It's got space for 1 hard drive, as you can see here. The bigger DVRs do have more slots available for more hard drives. Let's put the DVR aside. Let's look at the cameras and see what we get. Okay, so in the box I have a power supply here with a DC fly, so 4-legged fly lead, so you can see it takes 1 input and then this to supply the cameras there. It's got 4 pre-made cables, so you guys can use these to install the cameras and run them through. These are 20 meters. And then it's got 4 cameras. So let's have a look at one of the cameras. There we go. So the camera, it's got the screws in the box. And there we go, there's our camera. So it's quite nice, and it's nice, it can be hidden. And the focal length is 3.6 millimeters, so it'll give you quite a wide angle to view. If you guys have got any questions or comments, or you have some inquiries about the other types of kits available, please feel free to get in touch with us. There's quite a lot of different combinations of cameras. There's dome cameras, there's different resolutions of cameras, but just get in touch with us and I'll do our best to help you. Have a wonderful day.